Intelligent manufacturing and industrial automation have ushered in fresh opportunities for growth as technologies advance and the manufacturing industry keeps evolving. Suzhou HYC Technology Co. Limited, the trailblazer on the Sci-Tech Innovation Board in Suzhou, leads the industry in offering solutions for automated industrial inspection equipment and inline inspection systems. Its products are widely used in diverse industries, including flat panel displays, smart wearable devices, semiconductors, and automotive electronics.
随着业务高速发展，产品快速创新迭代，客户对产品需求交付周期越来越短，仓储智能化、自动化升级成为华星原创在物料管理上破局的关键。在提升生产力的同时，我们需要搭建一座综合利库，来满足未来非标装备物料的周转以及储存。京东物流在电子制造领域有着丰富的智能仓储相关项目落地经验，因此我们选择与京东物流合作。
The HYC Integrated Stereoscopic Warehouse, situated in Suzhou Industrial Park, Jiangsu Province, is designed to store raw materials, semi-finished products and finished products of factories, as well as raw materials of sub-suppliers. This warehouse adapts to business demands under all scenarios, including procurement, pre-collection, incoming quality control, receipt, inbound receiving, storage, division, picking, distribution in production line, and outbound operations. JINGDONG Logistics has designed 6 functional areas for the warehouse based on the actual needs of factories, namely box exchange area, quality control buffer area, quality control area, material box storage area, pallet storage area, and picking area. In addition, JINGDONG Logistics has input its self-developed equipment such as tote shuttle and stacking crane, with the following plan for the warehouse: a 4-aisle 38-layer tote shuttles ASRS warehouse and 28 front of the warehouse workstations, achieving an outbound flow of 3,000 boxes per hour in the material box storage area, with a total of 23,000 plus storage locations, and 2-aisle 12-layer single deep stacking crane system and the front of the warehouse inbound-outbound workstation, achieving a flow rate of 110 pallets per hour in the pallet storage area. This effectively addresses such challenges as a large variety of materials, significant differences in shapes, insufficient storage space, high error rates in multi-dimensional picking for production lines and workstations, and high efficiency requirements for inbound and outbound operations, achieving transportation of materials beside the production line across floors and areas. In terms of software and system integration, the integrated ASRS warehouse employs the Intelligent Warehousing Execution System (WES) and Intelligent Warehousing Control System (WCS), developed by JINGDONG Logistics, realizing efficient inbound and outbound operations, inventory management, and multi-equipment coordination across various scenarios through system collaboration. Moreover, a 3D SCADA one-stop real-time monitoring system is introduced to enable real-time monitoring of equipment status, container status, inventory status, and other information within the warehouse 24 hours a day. In-warehouse operations are fully managed in an information-based manner through the integration of various logistics innovation technologies. In addition, the quality control buffer area on the first floor employs the innovative upper storage and lower inspection mode, and inspection and storage functions are integrated using the ASRS warehouse with multi-layer shuttles as a buffer area for boxes to be inspected, maximizing space utilization. The front of the warehouse loop utilizes laser camera volume recognition technology, which can calculate the total volume of materials in the material box through intelligent calculation, achieving precise inventory management. The picking workstation employs light guidance picking technology, which combines spotlights with the system, and spotlights are used to guide pickers to place materials into the correct slots, which not only ensures the accuracy of picking operations, but also greatly improves operational convenience. Furthermore, 5G chip technology blockades are broken through with 5G chips produced in China to ensure stable equipment operation, improving the network reliability to 99.999%, while reducing maintenance costs by over 80%.
华讯原创致力于打造智能制造标杆场景案例， 此次与京东物流的合作，通过智能仓储系统升级，实现工厂货物出入库效率提升60%，拣选效率提升100%，平效提升200%，信息准确率可达99.99%，构建了高效智能的仓储管理体系，是我们提升企业综合竞争力的重要一步。未来，华新原创也将加深与京东物流的合作，共同引领制造业数字化、智能化转型。
JINGDONG Logistics has made its wealth of experience in emerging physical enterprises, as well as the digitalization and intelligence capabilities resulting from long-term technological investments accessible to the public. The company provides comprehensive and integrated supply chain solutions for various industries, including industrial electronics, pharmaceuticals, consumer goods, and energy, accelerating the digital and intelligent transformation and high-quality development of more industries.